Happy Monday, chikahan mga kapuso! Full of kilig and chill vibes ang hatid ni Alden Richards at Nadine Lustre sa ginanap na advanced screening ng series na Love, Siargao. Pero ano itong meron daw tinamaan ng Siargao curse? Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Vibrant aura ang hatid ng cast ng View Philippines series na Love, Siargao sa kanilang mid-season poster reveal at advanced screening kagabi. Present ang mga bida nitong sina Alden Richards at Nadine Lustre, kasama ang co-stars na sina Kim Jisoo, Kailin Alcantara, AZ Martinez, Vince Manistela, Kaki Chodoro at Christopher Diwata. Ang event mas lalo pang pinasaya dahil sa all-out support ng fans. Ayon kay Alden na gumaganap bilang si Jao, higit pa sa love story ang gustong ipaabot ng serye.
More than the love story, it's the love for what you have in front of you in terms of environment, the natural resources that we have. It's a campaign for acknowledgement and protection.
Malaking bagay naman daw kay Nadine na gumaganap as Kara na nakatira siya sa Siargao. Kaya pag meron silang free time,
just wanted to make sure that everyone is taken care of. Yayayaan kami. We suggest like nice spots to hang out in, to have lunch, dinner, ganyan. Pupunta sila sa bahay. Nag-gym kami, ganyan.
pati nga raw si Kim Jisoo na gumaganap naman as mysterious hotel owner na si Hanbin, aminadong tinamaan ng Siargao curse.
I extended after taping, and then I enjoyed the island. I do surf and exploring the island. I miss the lifestyle in there. Like I can see the sunrise, sunset.
Pagpapatotoo naman ni Kylie na gumaganap bilang ang Siargao noon na si Pearl.
It's not a curse, it's a blessing. Parang lahat kami merong thinking na parang pwede pa tayo mag-stay or like balik-balik tayo dito or like tumira kaya tayo dito parang katulad ni Ate Nadine.
Aubrey Carampel, updated showbiz happening.